Everything you just watched, the lyrics, the track, every single visual was created using AI. 3 tools, 1 workflow, 0 prior music production experience required. In this lesson, we are going to build it from scratch together. We start with nothing, not even a melody, and end with a finished, exported music video ready to publish. Compelling lyrics are the foundation of the entire project. Everything downstream, the music Suno generates, the visuals Grok builds, the edit you assemble. All of it is shaped by what's in the lyrics. Get this stage right and the rest of the workflow clicks into place. A few things that make the difference between a generic Claude lyrics output and one that's actually usable. First, be specific about the theme, not just an empowerment song. Give Claude the emotional journey. Second, include the exact musical style parameters: genre, BPM, vocal character, energy level. Third, specify the song structure explicitly. Tell Claude which sections you want and in what order. The more direction you give it, the closer the first output lands to what you actually want. Here's the full prompt. Pause and copy it. That is a production-ready lyric set from a single prompt. Take a moment to read through the output. Each section of the song has its own energy and its own story, and that energy is what tells you exactly what each visual scene needs to feel like. The lyrics are your storyboard. Save the full Claude output to the project folder before moving on. The lyrics are done. Now the music. Suno AI is one of the most powerful AI music generation tools available right now. You give it a style description and lyrics, it gives you a complete track. Vocals, production, beat, arrangement, the full thing. What makes this workflow smooth is that the style tag Claude wrote is formatted exactly the way Suno reads it. No reformatting, no translation, direct paste. Suno gives you 2 fields, song description and lyrics. The style tag from Claude goes in song description. Let me show you exactly where each piece goes. Style tag in description, lyrics in the lyrics field. Now hit create and let Suno work. This time, we're going to generate visuals. This is where the music video comes to life. But before generating a single scene, we do something most creators skip that causes their music videos to fall apart visually. We build a character sheet. A character sheet is a consistent reference image of your main character. Same face, same build, same core visual identity that you use as a reference for every subsequent generation. Without it, Grok generates a different looking person in every scene. The video looks like 7 different people in 7 different stories instead of one cohesive narrative. We generate the character sheet first. Everything else references it. Now every scene we generate references this image, so the same protagonist appears consistently throughout the video. We go through them in order. Each one has an image prompt and a video animation prompt. Let's start with the opening. Starting with part 1, the intro. Upload the character sheet as your reference image and paste the image prompt. character consistency is holding up well. Now move on to the video prompt. The motion feels natural, and the opening shot successfully establishes the visual tone of the entire music video. Download part 1 and continue. Part 2, the verse. Same workflow, upload the reference image and paste the prompt. Good composition. It supports the narrative while keeping visual consistency with the intro. Proceed to animation. Clean execution. The movement adds depth without overpowering the scene. Download part 2 and move forward. Part 3, the pre-chorus. This section should focus on building anticipation and gradually increasing visual intensity. The energy is starting to build here, which is exactly what this section needs. Time to animate. Strong transition into higher energy. This sequence effectively sets up the impact of the chorus. Part 3 is complete. Part 4, the chorus. This is the peak of the entire video. Strong scale and composition. The visuals feel bold and impactful. Proceed to animation. The motion amplifies the energy and delivers the full impact of the drop. This becomes the visual reference for the rest of the edit. Part 4 is done. Part 5, the rap section. Focus on contrast here. This part should feel different in rhythm and tone compared to the chorus. Good shift in visual style. It creates separation from the high energy sections while staying consistent with the overall look. Animate it. Nice pacing change. The movement supports the rhythm of the rap and gives the section its own identity. Part 5 is complete. Part 6, the outro. This is the final impression of the entire video, so give this scene extra attention and refinement. strong closing frame. Now animate the final sequence. Excellent ending. Allow the fade to complete fully before downloading to preserve the emotional finish. Before moving to the edit, play all 7 back-to-back and check character consistency across every scene. If any clip has a character that reads differently from the others, regenerate it now before you're deep into the edit. Everything is generated. Now the edit. The clips are scenes. The edit is the story. Open your preferred video editor, import the music and all video clips. The track goes on the audio layer, the clips go on the video layer above it. Now sync each clip to its lyric section. Play the track and listen for where each section starts. The intro lyrics hit the moment the first beat drops. The chorus is the big synth drop, the most unmistakable moment in the whole track. Every clip goes where its lyrics are. The visual and the lyric land at the same moment. That sync is what makes the viewer feel the video, not just watch it. With all clips placed, trim and cut on the beat. Once everything is in place, complete the export and your music video is finished. Now you know every decision that went into it, every prompt, every generation, every edit choice. The workflow scales to any song, any genre, any theme. Change the brief to Claude and everything downstream changes with it. Your action step. Pick any theme, any genre, and run this exact workflow. Claude for the lyrics, Suno for the track, Grok for the visuals. Your preferred editor for the compilation. You have everything you need right now. Save your best result because that becomes your portfolio piece. This is ACMC AI Academy. We don't just teach AI tools, we help you turn them into real income.
They left their mark on me, but they didn't break me. Tonight, I take back what's mine. No turning back.
Don't bend. We rise harder in the end. Knocked me down, but I got back up. Told me stop, but I never stopped. Every hit made me twice as tough. I don't fold, I've had enough. Watch me burn, watch me break through the wall. I was never gonna stay down when I fall. Unbreakable, unstoppable, we own this ground.
Let's begin.